abasuma bakambinjisa bakariana so nchizambanze nyakire omugurusu wanje Peter Watfahugu no mugurusu wanje abo kuba kizara mama akasiga mu kwase kaja kundabire so yakuzajya abana ni bisimo mu bubi yakoze so mutebeka nsa program nona ninjera amateka gapiga kuzakorwa arihe kigenderwe cya resile constitution yakorwa gukwe ako ware preamble ya constitution bakasanga ba president abenyuma bakabi no bushobozi burengera no izukiteke ya detention without trial umuntu abanza ayo bakarukora batagatinjira ba DP wa DP kubabeba kwata bakusuba mpaka hawirebero 10 bonda kwizo mukoti detention without trial
agona mezana
wachire tokagiye mukoti bakusibere aha hizamin yatandika no gumana za ready ateka asoza dikure ya 1975 atokuyeri izobera mataka gona gazo mikono ya government abinde byapa mbugaruza gombora tumwakine sati kubademba kwa constitution age batekamu atko eyachenda na mwenda bagira ngo president wihanga arabaye no bushoborozi konkara bukozesa umuberagiro ebyihanga at president takwikiriza kukora beragiro atabandize tasebe kubana ko ikintu cyona esitari mberagiro abo akinga mustemberagiro age point ya resere eriano constitution echo kubanza cyariona wasoma atke yabere na munana nejango muntu tayine musango mpaka kotezuye ngo muntu ogwaje no musango hati wemerero kagera ngunya webansibe ngo kuba mbateka addiction basa kurga radio mbeni nsuma na ka Uganda matazi nsango mushuma yeza kwiba mukaze sum police njimbe ntware hari ebaze kujya batangwa president azengu bakusibe mpaka kote naje ati yona wanse babusamwe suspect seno ni njangwe cyo tugwire ecyakabiri constitution ya Uganda atike yabere ni 3 akawayira kakana kari kiryanka jangu omuntu wena bamukwata batarenze saha 8 ataka tuiwe mukoti ngukare isiye saha 8 bamure kure
baratukomere wiki
wasoma ndanza kuza kubereta wasoma criminal procedure code act neherezo mulingo muntu nkoba kubasa kumurekura suru kumuheza police bond hat president cyagambe ekibiye kitakuteba na constitution ekindi president Museveni tayine power zo commandinga police soma atko eyachenda na munana
uwa tino munyamateka konka directive ya president kabasa
president ndio ni kusoma yako ninza kubishobora byona mbuye buki atke yachenda na munana erikiria nejangu president naza kuba the head of state and head of government and a commander of UPDF but not police konkata baba barukuzagaraza kwenda president bamama papagarengere nibajangize command of armed forces which is wrong. President is manya uramate ndio ni ebindu munamateka constitution
abeka damtumu stayine muzindario gabo
constitution president and head of state, head of government, fountain of honor and command of UPDF. Watch it.
Not armed forces.
Not armed forces. It's not the command of police. One is the commander of police. One is the commander of police. Soma atko bibiri kumenisatu akawayira kakasa mbakugirangu commander wa police araba IGP
appointed by
appointed manyato hato byono kwata politics no zuanzia necerajo ndio ni kwa commander wa police noa then bakugira omukawayiro akakana bibiri kumenisatu akawayira kakasatu nakahereza IGP kuba commander wa police akawayira kakana kagirango IGP karuba nakoremerumo aragendera constitution kagaruka kagera ngo president karuba naenda in regulation aragira bizomo IGP president ayine rusaro kwiza radio akaragero police ati genda okole echo kigwi ekimuze kusemba yo nacho